Hi folks, look at SharperTrades. The S&P 500 after a 4-day big rallies now is pulling back, testing the 595 support, currently holding. Any break below that, expect a retest of the ATMA, and then Wednesday low at 585. That was the day that Donald Trump won presidency, so it's an important support, must hold if he tested. On the other hand, any breakout above 600, which is yesterday high, then we're looking at 603, 608, 611. Bros, swing idea also working well. Good technicals, needs to push through 50, 24, Thursday high. Next targets are 53, 57, and 62. Also volatile. Support is yesterday low and Friday low. Etsy, I like what's been built in here, good base. First of all, the breakout with some volume. If we remove this big red volume bar right there, this is quite significant compared to the previous ones, right? So that was the day of the earnings, breakout, pullback retest, built a base, popped the 50, holding nicely, and now some indecision. You need to take out the same trend line, and this high, hold above a 55.60. Targets are 57, 61, and 65. I like the look of this. Support is the 50 SMA and 52. LYFT in consolidation. This one is a swing. I like the breakout with volume. It's still in consolidation, so it needs to pop yesterday high. That's 1909 or 7. And the targets are 2013, 2207, 2425. Support is 18 and 17. They're both tight. 17 must hold because there's a gap here that if it breaks below this low here, 17 precisely, it will try to fill it partially or fully. TOST, very strong. Discussed over the past few days. Big move following earnings. Pressing higher today, went to 40, 20 pennies shy of it. That's a big resistance, but if it blows through and goes, 41.60, 44.60, and 48.30. Support 38 and 36. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000 available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.